Hi everyone, I'm Alex. I hope you're as excited as I am about the virtual woodworking shows. I know it's not the perfect in-person scenario, but I think we're going to reach a much larger audience, and I hope next year when we go back to our woodworking shows, we don't abandon this. I think it's something that's been needed and will be needed in the future. Now, this summer, with the help of a couple of great woodworking buddies, I've been able to do something I wanted to do for a very long time, and that is set up BandsawLife.com and Bandsaw Life YouTube. Thank you, Troy Downs. That can't be done without the great camera systems and computers that I have in the shop now. Thank you, Dan Moody. Now, my favorite thing that I've done this summer, and I'm just so excited about it, and without the support of my wonderful wife, it wouldn't happen. We've now set up Bandsaw Life School. That's right, you can come right here to my shop, learn anything you'd ever want to know about a bandsaw. I promise you it will all be hands-on. You'll be able to learn stuff like the 3D, the flag, bandsaw boxes, and so much more. And if you do come, and you can use one of the jet or Powermatic saws that are provided by JPW, or if your saw's been bad, bring it. We'll fix it up, and I promise you I'll make it work better than you've ever known a bandsaw can work. Now, during the virtual show season, I'm going to be doing my standard bandsaw tune-up. Now, that consists of resaw and scroll cutting, but I'm also going to be doing a separate segment of a bandsaw box. Now, I've got a few boxes here that I've made over the years. This is a simple push-button box that was first. That's on DVD. This is a push-button box that you can download off of Instagram anytime, my Instagram account, anytime that you'd like. This is the box that I'll be showing in real time. This is a magnetic box, never been put on video before. Unless you've been to one of my classes, you wouldn't know how to make this. This is called magnetic energy, and the way that that works is as you turn, the magnets actually make that box work. And I'm going to be showing that in real time during the virtual show season. I hope you join me. I hope you join all the educators. I promise you there is plenty for everyone to learn at the woodworking shows. Thanks.